Hey guys, Leslie here with this week's new releases for my Etsy shop. They'll go in the shop on Friday, February 10th at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to use code THANKYOU15 for 15% off. Let's go ahead and start off with a spring new release. And also inspired a little bit by the Wednesday kit that I picked up. So I have this little new bee. So I'm still going to have the gold bee in the shop. That one would also go with the kit. But I wanted a cute little kawaii bee. I've been seeing a lot of like spring kits coming out. I think Sweet Kawaii just did one too about like gardening and plants and stuff like that. So I'm excited about this one. But I love the sparkle of the wings. Gorgeous. But just a cute little happy bee. I just thought that would be fun for spring. And then the back is black. Then you can choose your color and size of paperclip as always. All right, next up. Okay, so I'm going to show these kind of all at the same time because they make sense. So I got a friend's kit. I don't know. Yeah, that's been hauled, hasn't it? I'm pretty sure it has. I filmed all my haul videos at once. So if I haven't hauled my friend's kit, I ordered a friend's kit. It should go up soon, but I'm pretty sure I already did it. Okay, so I decided to do a guitar for Phoebe's guitar, you know. So I did a brown guitar. This one is drawn as well, just because there's no way I can assemble little tiny strings like on a guitar. That's not happening. So there you go. It's a drawn one. And I put it on a copper clip. So we have Phoebe's guitar, which I'm pretty sure is in the kit that I bought. And then I designed this one myself actually. It says Central Park on a giant white mug. I did as close as I could to like the logo. So I thought that would be fun, actually having a Central Park mug. And then on the back is just white. And then I thought with all the shopping and like where Rachel works, I thought this one would be cute too for Bloomingdale's little brown bag. So I thought that would be cute. So it looks just like theirs. And it's just brown on the back. So that one's drawn on as well, just because it's something that's printed on the bag. So I thought it would look cooler if I did it that way. So I really like how it turned out. Matching the font took a while, trying to see if I could match the font perfectly. The thing I looked for the most was a curvy W. And then the B just happened to be exactly the same too. I didn't worry too much about the T's and making sure those were the same. So little brown bag. Yay. And then going back into spring a little bit, I did a new umbrella. So this one is yellow and hot pink. And then I did a teal paper clip with it just to make it pop. I just really liked it. Yellow and pink and teal. So cute. So we have a new little umbrella for spring, which I think we're supposed to get some rain tonight and tomorrow, actually. I need to find my umbrella. I've misplaced it. It's the worst thing ever. All right, and then I did get this is the one I'm not sure is up. I did get a 90s inspired kit too. I think those were all together. I think it was. I got the Wednesday kit and the Friends kit. I think those have all been hauled. I was trying to remember if I had or not, and I was like, I don't know. So these ones are 90s inspired. So this one says sweet, and it's in hot pink on teal. So adorable, right? And then I did a pink paper clip on this one. I thought that would look cute as well. No, that haul has not gone up. It's going to go up on February 8th, okay? So the kits that I'm mentioning now, the Wednesday and the Friends kit, those are going to go up. Those are going to go up soon, very soon. And then, yeah, the 90s kit. I ordered 3 kits. It was from Beyond Paper Flowers, in case you wanted to know. And then the back is teal. I forgot because I couldn't remember if I put the Grabby Up one last week or if I did the Beyond Paper Flowers one. So there you go. It's that one. All right, and then next up, to go once again with like the 90s theme kit, I made a Tamagotchi. So this one is drawn as well, but I did a variety of colors. It has like magenta and pink and teal, and I just love it so much. I definitely had Tamagotchis. I had a Nano Baby, and then I had an actual Tamagotchi that my grandma actually got me. She mailed to me from Kansas. It was pink with yellow buttons. That's all I remember. So I'm sure it's somewhere dead. Like, I remember having to get those, like, it was those battery, like hearing aid kind of batteries, like the flat ones. I don't know. They had weird batteries. And then the back is just white. I am going to offer glitter on this one, and if you have glitter, I'm probably going to put it on the screen part. So if you want to pick glitter, I'll put it on the screen. I just couldn't decide on mine. I couldn't decide. All right, and then the freebie clip this week is going to be a St. Patrick's Day one, just because that's around the corner. I know it feels like it's not, but I feel like once we hit Valentine's Day, then it's a month away. So there you go. So this one says good luck to you. So it's kind of like just a good luck little paper clip, and it has little clovers on the side. And I did it in bright green. It's like highlighter green, you guys. It's so bright. And then I did dark green as the font. So to show you how bright this green is, here's the March clip from last week. See, that's like a light green. This is like a neon green. So there you go. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. So there you go. That's the freebie. All of these clips will go in the shop on Friday, February 10th at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to use code THANK-YOU15 for 15% off. And then be looking out for that haul video coming out on the 8th. That's Wednesday. Yeah. I do new releases video on Tuesday. I'm going to have sticker haul videos and sticker book flip throughs on Wednesdays. Thursdays are Playing With Me's, and then if there's a happy planner Playing With Me, that usually goes up on the weekend around noon. So in case you're new to my channel, welcome. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.